Hi to all. Once again, welcome back to Avisan Kitchen. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to make Gongura prawns curry in Hamare style. This is a very famous dish and very much used in Andhra and Telangana. Wow, it looks so beautiful. If you like tangy and spicy food, then this is for you. I'm sure you will definitely love it. So let's start. Here we have taken gongura, washed them nicely. Now take a pan, add gongura into it. This gongura is also called as a sorrel leaves. Now let it fry for some time. Meanwhile, take a raw baby shrimp, wash them nicely and keep it aside. Here you can see gongura is getting cooked nicely. Now add salt. Mix it well. Now cover with a lid. Let it cook for 5 minutes on a medium flame. Now open the lid. Mix it nicely. You can see gongura cooked nicely. Now add red chilli powder. Mix it and fry it for 1 to 2 minutes. Now take it in a plate and keep it aside. Now take our raw baby shrimp, add red chilli powder and salt. Mix it nicely. Keep them aside. Now take oil in a pan. Once oil becomes hot, add cumin seeds, dry red chilies, garlic pods, red chilies and curry leaves. Fry it for a second. Now add our raw baby shrimp into it. Mix it well. Let it fry for 3 to 4 minutes on a medium flame. Now add ginger garlic paste. Mix it and cook it for 5 more minutes. Now add gongura or sorrel leaves into it. Mix it well. Let it fry for 2 to 3 minutes. So Here is our gongura prawns or gongura royalu. It's ready. Now take it in a bowl. Wow! Gongura and prawns made our curry more delicious. You can serve this curry with a rice or a roti. For me, I will prefer to have this curry with a rice. It will be taste great. So do try our recipe and let us know your feedback in the comments. And if you liked our recipe, do like our video and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for the new notifications. Thank you.